What it do, Zoo Gang? It's your boy Big Zoo, and I'm back with another banger as always. So this video gonna be a little different. It's gonna be the tips and tricks video because a lot of y'all be asking me questions and stuff like that, and I can't keep up with all the messages and stuff that I get. You know what I'm saying? Y'all gotta understand. I got over 3,700 people in the Discord daily, and then over 250 message requests and over 300 friend requests. You know what I'm saying? Like, besides, you know what I'm saying? Like, all the tickets and Instagram, and it's just a lot, you know what I'm saying? And real life stuff. So, and on top of that, I ain't been trying to just make content just for GTA. Like, I'm gonna be doing like a GTA video, real life car audio video, GTA video, car show video, like cars. I'm finna, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's gonna go from my life with the cars from GTA back and forth. So it's gonna be a lot of that. Y'all gotta understand, I'm only 26, so it's like a lot of people my age that's in the car game. You know what I'm saying? That ain't trying to spend all that money to do things. I'm finna show y'all how to actually make this stuff. You know what I'm saying? I did a whole vlog on my door panels and made an iPad dash and stuff like that. So I'm gonna be dropping that vlog tomorrow. Uh, you know what I'm saying? So hopefully we will have videos every day pushing. Like I said, I'm gonna try to do GTA video, real life video, GTA video. You know what I'm saying? To keep it transparent. And another thing is, uh, can y'all please not come in the Discord store and make a ticket asking questions? Man, y'all blow me with that. I promise you, y'all. Please just DM me. Please, I will get to you when I can. Just come on, man. Y'all be tripping. But a few of y'all asked me, how do you get it to shine? Here goes y'all value parameters. This is the value parameters to make it bust how you want it to bust. On top of that, here goes the embedded texture option that you want to have. And there that is. Another thing y'all asked me is how to select a certain outline. So if I take this and convert this to a mesh and you want to select just the outline itself, you would hold shift down, double left click, hold shift down, double left click, and you'll catch all the edges. Now we convert it back to a curve. Nah, we can't do that. So this is what we'll do. So now we do this, give it some extrude. So let's say, alright, let's convert it to a mesh. Alright, so let's say you want to select this whole outline besides the inside. You will hover your mouse over it and hit the letter key L. The letter L, when you hover over what you want to highlight the outline of. Do the inside, it'll just do the inside. Pretty simple, pretty smooth, pretty easy. Another thing. A lot of y'all asked me how to rig it out of Blender. Keep it a buck with y'all. It's real simple to do. But the problem is, there's so many people doing change now. I mean, it's like, who don't know how to do it? But rigging them out of Blender is simple. So you know what I'm saying. Once you obviously have to have a rig. Once you have your rig, you're gonna wanna what's it called? Whoa. You're gonna wanna so your whole pendant, you're gonna wanna come in weight paint, not weight paint, edit mode, select the whole pendant, and you're gonna wanna come to vertex groups and add your bone. This is skeleton, spine, 3 bone, and hit assign to the whole pendant. Once you click assign right here, it's gonna assign the whole pendant to the neck bone, what you need. And you export it out, and that's it. My bones ain't showing because I have them turned off. They're right there. But yeah, that's it for that. Do you dig? Another thing is, y'all got something stupid high poly. Come get quad remesh right here. It's a remesh add-on that'll repoly. That will repoly the whole object and make all the vertices straight how you need them to be. It does cost though, so y'all gotta pay for that. But the best add-on right there, quad remesh. Anything high poly, you can knock it down to like 100,000 polys, 10,000 polys, whatever the case is, wherever you need it to be. So keep that in mind. Go download that. I'm trying to see what else. It's a lot of little things that you could do to spice up your pendant. So like, let me show y'all real quick so y'all get to understand this. So like, we come here and let's say we add the diamonds to it, right? So you see how it gives us, so you see how the whole thing highlighted, all these boxes are literally equal on this one in this one group, right? So check this out. We're gonna subdivide it, right? Matter of fact, I want to do it with this is what I do right here for y'all. That way y'all understand it better. So we go like this. Now you see how all these diamonds are, they're just everywhere, right? So if I take this head right here and I separate this head, watch this. So you see the polys on this head by itself, right? So you see the polys, how the polys are, they're all crooked, yada 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 yada, right? So we come to quad remesh and I remesh it. I'll put it to 20,000 real quick just so I can play with it. Hit that remesh button on there. Oops, tweak, and then remesh. Come on, don't tweak now, don't tweak now, don't tweak now. Yeah, it's definitely tweaking. That's wild, but nah, I ain't gonna lie. I don't know why that's tweaking like that. What's the poly size to it right now? 2500. Let me put it to 1500. Let me see what happens. I don't know. I'm gonna have this blender open, I swear to God, for like 3 days. So it's probably just tweaking. But matter of fact, I ain't even finna go through all that. Let me just go ahead and open up another one so I can show y'all, cause I don't want y'all to get to tweaking. And nah, I ain't gonna lie. I ain't doing all that. Nah, I ain't doing all that. But that's what you do, though. You feel me? But even then, it's all, you know what I'm saying? Even, let me show y'all something. Even if y'all got something that's over crazy, like, you see this, come into scope mode, you feel me? And do your due diligence in this motherfucker. I don't want to go crazy. YouTube gonna get me. Let me watch what I say now. But you see how crucial that was just looking? And now how crispy I got, bro, face looking? Come on now. Ball head on beam. On beam. Check him out. Check him out. Check him out. Super crispy. Super crispy. Super crispy. Look at that. You feel me? Face on point. We at, what are you at? 40,000? Bust him down to 17. Come back. Way normal. And we still looking crispy now. Come on. I mean, he's gonna be busting in the game. I tell you that. Shout out my boy Slim. Look at. Steady pushing the party down. Still crispy. You know what I'm saying? That's another way to do it too, though. But yup. I don't think I can rematch these, John. Yeah, they straight already. They already rematched. So let me see. Nah, that's remixed too. So it ain't gonna matter. Let me try this. Nah, it ain't gonna work. I don't know what's going on with the game, but that's that. I mean, I don't know. I don't really know. I think I covered all the questions y'all steady asking me. I don't know why this button is blue. I gotta fix that. But like, let me know what y'all wanna see. I mean, I dropped the chain video. I just gave y'all the values to make it hit. I just told y'all how to rig it out of Blender. What y'all want next? The MLO video. Me making a full chain and pendant, rigging it, and exporting it out and going in game. I mean, y'all gotta let me know. The sky's the limit. You know what I'm saying? I know how to do everything, but the sky's the limit. The sky's the limit. The more subscribers, please go hit that subscribe button. Hold on. Click that black button down there that says subscribe. If you ain't clicked that button, I don't even know why you here. This is Zoo Gang. This is Zoo Gang territory over here. Big Zoo Gang territory over here. You feel me? So if you watching this, you gotta be a part of the Zoo Gang. And what I'm thinking about doing is getting a PC, loading it up. I'm talking about loading it up as in story mode, single player. Crazy MLOs for your single player story mode. And building a server on the computer and giving it away. Full blown server, ready to go. And your story mode fully modded, ready to go. And a whole PC. We might do a giveaway when I hit 1,500 subscribers. I promise y'all. That's exactly what we probably will do. One of y'all subscribers, that's exactly what we're gonna do, and I'm gonna give it to one of y'all subscribers. So we're gonna go through all the subscribers. I'm gonna make a video. I'm gonna have everybody drop a number. I'm gonna go live. Whoever wants to enter, just drop a number. That's what we'll do. We'll just have you drop a number anywhere, and then boom. You feel me? We'll do a random pick generator online with the numbers 1 through whatever, y'all, and everybody's gonna have their number, and we'll just generate a number, and whoever wins. You feel me? That's what we'll do. But that's a quick little tips and videos. You know what I'm saying? Like little tips. Video, whatever you want to call it. Like, I don't know. I just try to, everything y'all been asking me is literally in that video. You know what I'm saying? So, outlines, highlighting the letters, exporting the values you need, texture values you need. You know what I'm saying? That's really it. Another thing y'all might not know, if y'all don't know where to make a bump map at, if y'all make a diamond texture, just come straight here. Normal. Y'all can copy this this link. I might put it in the description, but this is where I make my normal maps at. So I'll drop the photo here and then I'll make it from you. You know what I'm saying? Set the tones to where you want them at, but that's really it as in that. So yeah, just let me know what y'all want to see next besides the IRL stuff, because that's gonna be the next video, and then the video after that is what I'll be making most likely tomorrow. So y'all let me know, comment, like, subscribe. It's your boy, and we out.